ka jingtorti trekam jong ka tournament committee jong ka state level Subroto Mukherjee Cup jong snam arajar khatsan hakaban thaw ki rules but regulation kalawan ra ya ka jingkul mar ka jingile kai football ka bujupulong malau snam nabanta ki school jong ka jala haka state level hado banda poi pot jong ka jingsha kno ka dan ka jingle shiliang jong ka te committee ki school ki bawan banile kai ka ni ka tournament jong new snam kani ka jingkno kalami hadien ba ka committee ka khlambat ki rules kumba kala thaw kabal kranchai pa kanu ka kanhon yele kai ka ba umpoi ha ka por ka biang kancha kanjat no na ka tournament batru bansha khang yele kai kinti shisnam hadu asnam ndekani ka committee kala island ekowi ka school ka bana kani ka nongba shilong kabala yo banrum shaka final bat ban yo ra sundan ya ka nam job ha ka under 14 jong ka Subroto Mukherjee Cup wala kala dab bansha rairam ha ka wei ka jingile kai na ka daw ka khlam poi shaka matan yele kai ha ka por ka babiang kani ka school kabla kno persha kani ka jingile kai mta usnam ka don ya ka jingsha shiliang ka baba pelen na ka tournament committee ka de ka school nativity high secondary school ka bana makorwat southwest Khasi Hills ka badai ban yakun persha ek Elias high secondary school shillong hinin kasngi na kaliang manager jong kani ka school ba F Lingdo principal ka school reverend father S Marthong kila pensngo ya ka jingdiaw habai dei barkani ka benta barka jingbambat jong ka tournament committee ban penya ya kani ka jingle kai kat kumki rules but regulation
ke Elias kadai ban yele persya ya kan north ya ka south Garo Hills ampati hak arpulai trik banai bunyo nrai ke Elias hak ne kesngi ka khalamwan yele bar haba ka khalamwan yele kamut ba ka southwest Garo Hills kadai ka winning teams te plus nang taru kadon ka rule number 13 ka baong rule number 13 ka baong gamne in the event of any team reporting 15 minutes after the scheduled times, that team shall be deferred for future participation. Kene gamon ba kenu ka team ka bam report adien khasan minute num sha shu bane simantang te ngingi pensyong rem kat kum kene ka kendon number khalai te ngem kwa ban yele semi final bat ka senyantis bat habat bat ka Elias ngem kwa bane semi final bat ka Elias bat hak arfu saw trek bangila dap kre ngal dap ready na dong sedong te hadien ngal dap kre ngal dap ak report ni as da ka written complaint bat hak ne written complaint ni ko shu match commissioner bat hak ne written complaint la tho ter gum to bangi ni num yele ya kan game namar ba kan ka Elias ka dai ka team ka balasa divat kat kum ka rules number khatlai ban nang ni ngap dap su kamadian ong lada ya ka Elias if a divat teams can get a chance to play in the semi-final, we have the right to play in the final. The hadian mingwa khot ya kren pada tournament chairman jog tournament tinggal ya kren apa conference rooms ki penbor be jangi bangi dai banyele be bat ka Elias ki ong in fix bang dak we ka program bat ki bo news teng minin kesni bangi dai banyele then hadian kapor news teng ni le sport madan dan nilai sport madan nilai kumno namangi kwa abet ban protes ya ketu rule number khalai nilai kumno nilai ban verify ya kitim la verify kikna la verify hadian la verify kine te kipun kialami te kna Elias te ngingi ong ya kene ke Elias ngim tre ban yele bat ni sudan mek to po madan bat hadian bakla upload ek to ki floodlight bro sautli isapet no madan bat mentang kesni pada badik singi banile final ki phaile betang ya ke Elias bat school master te tangine ke deki ei ke bangi kwa ban persyam ya ke ei ba kine ka Subroto Cup 2015 ki penya ya ban odur kilo ki pen kenya ka an ke ei ke bagi lasna hi ki ay ni kini ki an mingin board ya kini ki rules ne dalade ki pen ken bi kini porok ya
kini sna rules ki pen prahi maki ki pen kenya maki ki rules de ke ei ka future jang ki kini kana abakado kin kala kum no bakio ie kini ginong snarul ki la kum ne panat pen khanya ki rul ngingi snai ki rul ngi dawai khana kin bat ki rul school kini hangne pat ki snarul bat ki pen khanya da ki rul te kadon ka contradiction padang jongi kinong peniat school habangi bu ki rul ki khana bu school bat kini kinong ki bat don hakini ki bor peniat komik sport ba ki department ba ki snarul ba ki ya pen khanya rul sidar maki khana ki ie kini ki bro ki pulu kini ki bro nak school ki puli kini berkhot bat ka ega future jaki kem tak ada nak si alam bakla bakado mano belam bakla deh kini kinong chinarul ki bhajrong ma te gre kata kai dengan ngalong ngus khiab hai kana ker company ai bat kum kane ka jajik paniat ngatengah ngapendram ya kana ka jik paniat manta tingin siap petpat hadu kano kila banla hakipor ki benangwan
ban yo pan ya ka jing pencai be dei ba kani ki rules but regulation la thau da tournament committee ka bakhle da uba CW Dunai como chairman ba uba B War Nongbri como vice chairman nakaliang kinong tho kubor kila yo ban yakran yo director ka sports and youth affairs ba FM dop ubala pencai da ka baong ba ki rules ba ki regulation kidai ki bala ban penkela ban pentamai hakano kono kopor batru bola pediang ru bakini ki rules ki bedon menta kidai ki betolot barki bedon kam ban penkela sasisian
te komik tournament committee ka frame si ki rules kumno ban penya ya ka football tournament ni subruto te ngatai bro ki president ka jiang lor halo ban tip balai bajai ka nativity te hak rule ka ba 13 jo rule ngatai dap puli to te ka tho ka kentin ba lagi ni team ki baslam ban report ka por mobiang te disciplinary action kalong ba ban report por mobiang kalong ba di bari ka team lagi future participation kai ki jing thmu jo ka rule jing thmu jo ka rule kalau mengikut we create a discipline haban le ki nogi game te kejar khat apocalypse hari kapor bai le kai galik ba ka HLS conslam ka poislam ka krampoy kapor gobian kadi bani le bat ka empathy te hakalik kala tam lupai ke HLS ka poy kadi le persya ka empathy kadi stang masyu pait mulu ba le si ban top ya team ya ka group jongka te ka poislam da ka poislam te ka match la award na support ka empathy tendai kai jing thmu ka baongi ka rule ka for discipline tingi pet ba ka tournament committee ka pet ba khato ka HLS ka violate na me ka discipline tendai ka HLS kawan poi hamanan kala phone road ki mobile ba ong ba we were stuck in the road but ka borzuki mangimla ban poi te maria poi ye po manan ba khatar minute hadin ba ki lay out te ki ahi ka apology letter ki ong ba ni ka is beyond our control kadi ka de na traffic jam
maki ajung pencai maki verbally ka kamkran pat kata ba any team kila ban phone ni kila ban yun kila shong but straightly in the events of any team reporting 15 minutes after the scheduled time that team shall be debarred for future participation. Rule number 14, each team is to complete the matches as per fixture and the team failing to do so will be fined ₹1,000 only, and the defaulting team shall be debarred for 1 to 2 years from participation in tournaments to be conducted by this office.
Yeah, but you see every rules is they are not acts. Nah, the rules ke frame bang mat penyat. Ngamang bakadang ke relasi ke rules bang ke badak ke biang. Every rules abang nang frame ye kendo it has to be amended. Nah, tai kenu rules apa India wat ke act ke di kemju it has to be amended dengan lap iki kendo jinge. This is the first time we realize that we have faced such a situation. But ngamong ba ki claim ai ba ki pen i kata kawai ni kita ba kila persiang bat la kamdan ka rus kila persiang pen i kai ba kimla onon poi bat anda kila poi kila ba o mas ka bisa bat ka tournament committee kila ada kijing tho ka apology tingimla ban ong ban ba ni ka rule kan stick ada expense ban hol ya ka tournament lari ban dibar ya kan ka team so kan kam ong ba tang ba kislam ba kislam ai ka expression la kim ai ka expression la da kim pentip te kata yes we have to debar them ke discipline it comes question of discipline. So discipline ke kata point.
Rules need to be amended.
Rules need to be amended. Now the 13 and 14, yes, we have to amend it, but we will say it like this. The rule kalau any team who fails to reach on time, there will be one punishment. That punishment is that their points will be allotted to the team playing against. Only that. Now, for any disciplinary part, because when we frame this is for disciplinary, in case a team caused disciplinary, breach disciplinary. I think you know very well, express what is disciplinary.
But in the case of Achilles, I think so they have already break the disciplines. What happened is that they are from the city, they belong, they are a team within the Shillong city. It's
no, but they have come to the field.
Justified to say that
they
know the traffic jam problem already.
Yeah,
So at least
that is
they
beyond.
take their time.
Yeah, that is the beyond
At
the.
least there should be a logic for that.
No, it can happen not to
The
HLS.
school authority doesn't know what is the problem going on.
Your point is correct, but it may happen to this team, it may happen to this team, it may happen to any team. No, but when we say discipline, but if they have not come and explain, you see, when you have come and explain what is the reason, then that consideration tournament committee has taken. No, but it's not a discipline because they have tendered the apology and they have also accepted the first punishment. Okay, you have allotted to Ampati, we are there. Why we are not able to come? We are the top team in the league. We are willing to come. That's why we have come. Because they were the top team. Even in the last match, they were the top team. How can they say that we will not come to play? I think you can infer